Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set a daily reminder on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and search for the app Reminder, right? Reminder. I'm going to type it, click on it. Basically, you're going to be able right here to see the interface of the app, and basically you're going to click set a new reminder at the bottom left corner right here, and you're going to be able to set a new reminder, and you're going to add the basically the name of that of that reminder. Let's say a lunch, right? Lunch with, or let me just type right here, meeting, right? And then if you want to add something, like if you click the I button right here, let me click, as you can see right here, you're gonna see I added that reminder, and you're gonna see the I with the circle button. Click on it to set URL, date, and time. If you want to add a date or time, you could just go ahead and add it, and basically you're gonna see right here the time. You can add a time, and you're gonna see right here early reminders if you want to be reminded 5 minutes before, something like that. If you want to repeat it on a weekly basis or a daily basis, and the location as well. If you want to add a location, you can do that. And basically when messaging as well, to choose the person or to join you in that meeting, whatever it might be. And then you're gonna see right here priority, make it high if it was a meeting, and then basically add it to a list of reminders on your iCloud, and then just hit done at the top right. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.